Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the digital HD indoor antenna, a long-range TV antenna. Designed to pull in local channels in 4K and 1080p, and it comes with a 10-foot long cable. If you're someone who wants crisp HD content without paying for cable, this might be exactly what you're looking for. First, let's talk design. The antenna is compact and lightweight, measuring just under 7 inches by 4 inches, and it weighs about 10 ounces. Its minimal footprint makes it easy to place anywhere in your home, whether that's on a window, a wall, or even behind your TV. The black finish blends in nicely with most interiors, and the long cable adds flexibility so you can experiment with placement to get the best signal. Performance-wise, this antenna is marketed as a long-range option, capable of picking up multiple local channels in both 4K and 1080p. It's compatible with all types of TVs, including smart TVs, and it supports over-the-air HD broadcasts. The signal booster built into the unit helps improve reception in suburban or slightly obstructed areas. Which is great if you're dealing with trees, buildings, or other interference. Setup is straightforward. You simply plug it in, connect it to your TV's coaxial input, and run a channel scan. No technical skills are required, which is perfect for anyone new to over-the-air antennas. In terms of usability, the included 10-foot cable allows you to position the antenna in the optimal spot for reception, and it comes with adhesive pads to secure it in place. While some adjustments may be necessary depending on your location, this antenna gives you the flexibility to find that sweet spot for the clearest picture. Overall, this digital HD indoor antenna is a solid choice for cord cutters looking to access local channels in high definition without the hassle of cable subscriptions. It's compact, easy to set up, and versatile enough to work in various home environments. Whether you're in a city or a suburb, this antenna offers a practical, budget-friendly way to enjoy free TV in crisp HD. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in this antenna, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews here on Product Critique.